it's Paul, HEYNER UK. Today we're going to change wiper blades on the Seat Arona, that's 2019 model. First we're going to remove driver side wiper blade. It has 26-inch long wiper blade with push button. To release the wiper, you just simply press it and you can release wiper blade from the arm. Sometimes you need to play a little bit, depends on the fitting type. Yeah, to fit HEYNER hybrid wiper blades we will need slim top adapters. Comes with the box like that, and adapter itself look like that and has TL4A marking on it. It's very important to fit the adapter first on the wiper arm and then attach wiper blade to the adapter. Adapter goes into this slot, so it's not right in the middle. It's like that, but first we need to attach it to wiper arm. That, and yeah, and driver side is done. We will do the same on the passenger side. Okay, and the same on this side. So press the button. We can release the wiper blade. Now again, same adapter. Fit on the arm first. And now we can attach wiper blade. Okay, job done. Thank you for watching.